Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, October 26th, and we're going to take a look at the euro here. And we're going to talk a little bit about price action and one of the things you look for when you're trading. And these are a couple of the trades we had from the trading room today that worked out really well, and they were in the euro. But this applies to any market and any time frame you are looking at. If you want to be a longer term trader, you just look at a longer time frame chart. You want to be a short term day trader, you look at a shorter time frame chart. And markets move through what we call periods of expansion and periods of compression. So what we looked at here in the euro is we had a period of compression. Starting over here on the left, we had a period of compression here where we had hit resistance a couple times, hit support a couple times, and we took the breakout long right here. Okay, and that worked out really well. It spiked right up. We trailed stop up behind it as it moved and got back out because overall we had a bearish bias due to what they were saying with ECB. And then we went right back into compression once again. So we went from compression to expansion, and we ended up going back into compression here. And we were looking at this with support at 1802 and then resistance up at the highs. And you can see momentum also ended up weakening here. We came right down with bearish momentum and broke through the lower end of this compression zone. So that was your secondary entry. And that gave you the short right here at right around 1.18, a little less. And that followed through very nicely. Now, right after that triggered, you also set up a bear flag on a 30-minute price chart. Now, the 30-minute price chart triggered on the break below 17825, which would have been your third entry opportunity into euro. So you had one long and then two shorts. And that one also ran down very nicely. And then once again, market went back into compression. We went from an expanding market trending down to a compressing market right here. And you go compression, drawing your trend line up across the lows, or just putting a support level at the lowest pivot low and resistance on the highs. And then you broke back out of this compression and resumed the expansion. Now, one of the things one tool you can use to help confirm these is the Momentum Trender Pro, and that's what's painting the price bars here. It's red for bearish, fast-moving downward momentum, green for fast-moving upward momentum, and blue for consolidation or compression. So that it helps you with identifying, okay, hey, it's in a compression zone. So that's all I have for you for today, though. So keep an eye out looking for these periods of compression and then trading the breakouts of compression into expansion, because that's where you can get the fastest moving trades, where you can have very tight stop losses, but they run your direction for 4 or 5 to 1 reward risk. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in the trading room bright and early on Monday morning because I'm out tomorrow. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy trading, everyone.